Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop your MacBook from connecting to Wi-Fi networks automatically. Whether it's a network you no longer use or one you just don't want your Mac to auto join. So let's get started without wasting any time. To stop your MacBook from automatically connecting to Wi-Fi networks, there are two simple methods you can use. Let's go through both. Option 1. Disable auto join for a specific Wi-Fi network. Click the Apple menu and select System Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Wi-Fi. Now click on Details or Advanced depending on your macOS version. You'll see a list of all saved Wi-Fi networks. Select one you want to stop auto joining. Uncheck the box that says automatically join this network. Now click done or apply to save your changes. Your Mac will still remember the network, but it won't connect automatically anymore unless you do it manually. Option 2. Forget the Wi-Fi network completely. If you want to completely remove a Wi-Fi network so your Mac never connects to it again, follow these steps. Open the system settings once again. Go to Wi-Fi in sidebar. Scroll down and click on Advanced. You'll see your list of saved networks. Find the one you want to remove. Click the three-dot menu or the minus icon next to it. Click Remove from List to confirm. This will delete the saved login details so your Mac won't connect to that network again unless you manually re-enter the password. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to stop your MacBook from auto connecting to unwanted Wi-Fi networks. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful Mac and iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.